Worst part is I wanted to go for a walk.
I know, right?
I'm gonna play Smash after this.
Okay. It's gonna be 1 minute of us just watching the rain.
I don't like the rain.
Same. I mean, I like how it like helps plants grow, but
Rain go away. Come back tomorrow.
not tomorrow.
The next day.
No.
Never.
Also not that neither, because then we would all die.
Just come back a different day, okay?
Come back a day that's not today, tomorrow. We'll come back on Monday. Like, there's a massive storm.
There's a person.
Yeah.
I don't have it, but it's called. I made it through once. That is a tongue twister of a song. And there's so many little like.
Looks like Mother just got done doing her
Practice. She might be doing Peloton now.
screaming practice.
Oh wait, it's 1 minute. We'll make it 2.
Why do you? What is it? 2 minutes just recording the rain.
Why not?
So, my arms are too small for this sweatshirt.
Funny.
My grandfather gave it to me.
Oh wow.
He's a fan of the Ravens.
Well, so am I. Even though I don't watch football.